welcome back. This is Miss M and Mommy, and I'm here with the Thrifty Slay hair show and tell, and how I did my U-part wig. And I'm just showing you everything that comes in the packaging, which is really cute. She gives you nice free gifts, eyelashes, and some liner, and she has a lot of detailed information about her hair and how to take care of it. And I caught Thrifty Slay Virgin Bundle Straights on sale, you guys, and I got a 16, 18, and a 20, and they were under $100 with this sale. And I was ecstatic to try her hair. So I'm just going to kind of show you a little bit of the hair. This is the 16-inch. You get a nice quantity of it. It's in its natural state. Although it's virgin straight, it still has that little bump at the end. And the color is not exactly like a 1 or 1B. It's more between like a natural 2 to 4 color that I received. Very soft, very soft. No tangling, no shedding. And then now I'm going to do the 20-inch so you guys can get a length comparison. And so this is a 20-inch. Again, you get a nice quantity with that bundle. And as you can see, I'll compare the 16 with the 20. Nice length. And then, of course, the 18 is in the middle. For my U-part wig, this is the cap that I like to use. I like this weaving cap because it does have adjustable straps along the back side of it. So that way, when you do cut your cap, you still have the option of tightening it or loosening it once you clip it in. And I went on ahead and drew out where I want to cut my cap and how much leave out I want to have. And these are the wig clips that I used. And when I did the sewing, I doubled my tracks for the 18 and the 20. And I did the flip over method. Once I got closer to the top, when I started my 16-inch, I wanted to go and do the single method and lay in the tracks in singles, and then still doing the flip over method. But this is the 20-inch. I'm done with that. And this is all of the 18 and the 20 together. So what I decided to do, because I brought my leave outs section up in a little bit because I think it was too wide. So I just moved it over some, and as far as laying my tracks. And this is the completed U parts. Before I cut the wig, I went on ahead and co-washed and blow dried the hair. Nice and full once it's washed and blow dried, and very easy to flat iron. And during this time, that's when I cut my wig and sewed on my wig clips. So for my wig clips, I put 5 of them around the U and 2 on the side and 1 in the back. This is I just did a braiding pattern. You know, I don't have any hair in the back. Growing that out, or trying to, hopefully. And so I'm just clipping that on, clipping them in. had already flat ironed my leave out, so. Then I'm just gonna grab some Gorilla Glue just to lay down my sides. Now the hair, it does curl very nicely, but I will say, you know, I didn't apply a lot of product to give it any hold, but the curls throughout the day did drop. But I just didn't want to get too many tight curls. I just wanted something that, you know, that was nice and a little flowy. Run your fingers through like butter, baby. So yes, I am very satisfied. So far, so good. And I would like to try her curly hair next. And but until then, I am going to enjoy this. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Smooches. Bye.